Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeanne, I'm a yoga teacher, and today is a crossover between yoga and Pilates, so I call it Yogalates. I have to admit it's completely inspired by Cassandra from the YouTube channel Yoga with Cassandra. I'm just going to offer different movements that she's not showing on her channel, and you can find many other workouts of that same type in this playlist. I put the link there in case you want to broaden your views. Okay, let's start on our backs. We're gonna do 3 rounds. Every time I'm going to make it a bit more complex. So make sure you press the belly in and you lengthen your lumbar vertebrae into the mat. So the coccyx is towards the heel. Okay. Arms vertical like this, and you're going to keep looking at the ceiling. I know usually in Pilates it's about rolling in. Here I'm going to just say like lift the upper body, trying to keep it in a line. Yeah, keep looking up, and you should feel in your upper abs that contraction. Very good. We're gonna do 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was about 10 reps. We're gonna do 15 and 20 for each round. Then we stay like this for the legs, and we're going to do bridge pose. So for the glutes, you roll up and down. Easy, right? So make sure you bring the tailbone up first, and then you roll up, and you squeeze your glutes. Keep the head relaxed, the face as well. Okay, that's almost too easy, right? So we're going to lift the bum up, keep the neck relaxed, and you come up in a tabletop for the leg, and roll down. Next one, the other leg, and down. Good. If you have the opportunity to check in a mirror next to you that your legs are really at 90 degrees, that's even better. Make sure you roll the spine every time you change the leg as well. It's not about rushing it, it's about feeling what we target. Okay, so it's the glutes. Very good. Last 2. You can come up, up, down, down, or up, up, down, down. So either you hold on to the leg or not. Okay, relax for now. Shake a bit the legs. And keep your back into the mat. You can place the hands under the buttocks, that helps a bit. And then we're going to place the legs like a open scissors, okay? So about 45 degrees between both legs. Try to keep them straight as much as possible. You can point or flex just to forget about the pain. You keep that same angle between the legs and you bring them up. You can bring them up a bit higher without moving the angle, but yeah, we'll do that later. First, try to feel how it's pulling in the lower abs. Keep breathing. 2 more. Okay, and then we switch legs. Maybe take a breath in between, and the other one on top, and you go down. Up and down, as easy as that. Focus on your breath, focus on relaxing your face. No need to make new wrinkles. Not for that. Okay, 3 more. This is intense, right? 1 and 0. Okay, relax. Breathe. Okay, for the next one, we're gonna keep the legs straight, arms up, as if you're holding onto a balloon in front of you, okay? And lumbar down, so navel in, and come up and down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep looking up. 6, and try not to bring the shoulders forward like this. 8, 9, 10. You can hear my voice is struggling a bit. And 13, 14, keep going higher. 15, very good, relax. Okay. Second, so bend the knees, roll the pelvis so the navel is in, and go up for the hips, left leg up, and then we're just gonna do pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold at the highest point. You can point and flex just to relax. And slowly roll down. And same for the other leg. So come up and hips up and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Hold at the highest point. 2, 1, and roll down and let go of the leg. Good. That was almost too easy, no? So let's try it with the leg straight. Hips up, knee up, and extend. And we pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. Good. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1, and roll down. And the other leg. Straight up. Get ready and press up. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. And roll down. Very good. Leg down. Relax. And breathe. Good. That was the second exercise of the second round. Now let's do the third exercise. So again, legs straight. A little angle between the legs. And we go up and we try to lift the hips this time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other leg, switch, and 1, 2. This is the most intense, I know, because it's like we don't just do 10, but actually we do both sides, so it's 20 each time. And 6, 7, 8. Keep the angle. I'm losing it. And 10. Good. Relax. Breathe a bit. Now, because we do a lot of crunches for the upper abs, we're gonna try to do a bit of twists this time. Okay, so right as usual, but this time we're going to roll a bit to the side. And we extend one arm further. You see, this one is bending a bit, so I'm reaching to the sides. My chin is always far from my chest, and I keep looking at the ceiling. 3, 2, try to go further. So you really feel here the obliques. 1, and relax. It's really warm today. I'm shooting today, but yeah. Okay, then we do glutes. Ready? So what we can do is cross the legs like this, and we push up, and we just 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we hold up. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we hold, and you should feel the glutes really burning exactly where we want it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Roll down. Very good. Switch sides, cross the other way. And come up. And pulse. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try to make the glutes squeeze, right? Otherwise, if it's the upper body coming up, it's not gonna target that. And hold. 3, 2, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3. Keep the right knee down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congrats. You're done with this one. Relax a bit, hands under the buttocks, and legs straight. Open the scissors, and let's go. More reps if you can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more. 3, 2, 1. Change. 1. I missed it. 2. Yeah. Keep the angle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is tough for me as well. 5. I'm suffering already. 4. Come on, 3 more. You can do it. 2, and 1. And that's it. Congrats for doing that with me. Take a good breath. I hope it's not too warm where you are. It definitely is here, and there is no AC because usually it's a cold place. Okay, to stretch all that, what we're gonna do is camel pose. So come up onto your knees. Yeah, take a couple of breaths here so you don't see stars. Come on the toes like this. Left hand on the left heel, right hand on the right heel, and then send the hips forward and stretch. Don't drop the head like this so you cannot breathe. Don't keep the head like this either because it's too far. Something nice in between. And you breathe, and you're comfortable. Life is good. And slowly you come back. Okay. For the glutes, we're just gonna sit like this with the legs crossed. And even if they are crossed like this, you may feel it, okay? I feel it more like this. So what I do is the leg that is in front, I push on the knee and I try to lengthen. And just that is enough to feel my glute. And that is enough to stretch. Don't need to go far. If this is not strong enough for you, you can always do figure 4, change legs, or pigeon. Okay. So try to keep the upper body long as well. Keep pressing the hip down into the floor. And release, relax. Okay. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please put a thumb up. This is the playlist for all the abs workout I compiled in it. And this is the link to subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, this is very important you do so. And this is just a random video you may enjoy. Okay, have a great day and see you next Wednesday.